What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What engine?
What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
小さくても大きなことができるさ。特に僕みたいに青いボディだとね。
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past. Right.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
The boss dumps sneezing powder everywhere. Let's start laughing now. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, boys. Bit of a dust-up after staying clean up. Got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean that one like that?
And no.
きっとディーゼルの仕業だ。アクション！アクション！